Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Had attended a function where the governor under his discretionary funds had made out a very kind gesture to the people suffering, and I think it was the first time ever that the governor took any active part in meeting people and understanding their troubles and their problems, and hence the discretionary fund went out to people who are suffering from dialysis and various other things. But then since he had started moving around, I decided that it would be the right time to tell him that he should also visit Asha Mahal. And it was just a day before. I mean, he's present here now, but I think the letter went to him the day before yesterday. And the response was so quick, I got a message saying that he would be visiting this place today.
First time a Rajbhavan is doing elaborately making arrangement like this. So I think that if you want to serve the God, first of all you will have to serve the people. And using the word orphanage in a different sense. Nobody is orphan according to me. Nobody is there. So this program is now within the knowledge of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. At the same time, we declared that dialysis patients are concerned. We will give some financial aid. Just started, and after we hope we will be able to provide it later also. But when I took such a decision, only at a later stage I found that the government is ahead in giving protection to dialysis patients. I realized that there is a scheme by our central government, and that scheme is called the Dinadayal Upadhyaya scheme. That scheme is properly used by our Chief Minister and our Revenue Minister's team.